Oh, hey! So you can't go back to school without great breakfast ideas. That's why last week I showed you some delish pumpernickel bagel bombs, and this week it's one of my faves, breakfast taquitos. It's all about that filling. We've got tofu scram, lots of vegan cheddar, kale, and spicy vegan sausage. They're so tasty, and best of all, they freeze well. So when you got no time in the AM, you can be eating a hot taquito in 45 seconds. Here's how you make them. Use a paper towel to pat your brick of tofu mostly dry. In a nonstick pan over medium-high heat, fry minced shallot in vegetable oil for about 1 minute until softened. Crumble the tofu into the pan with your hands and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then stir in nutritional yeast, turmeric, smoked paprika, sea salt, and ground pepper. Fry this for about 4 more minutes until the liquid evaporates and the tofu begins to brown slightly. Add in some non-dairy milk and combine well and cook for about another 2 minutes. Separate half of this tofu mixture into a large bowl and set it aside. And you can reserve the other half of this mixture for another breakfast. To make the sausage mixture, heat a nonstick pan over medium heat and add vegetable oil, crumbled vegan sausage with the casing removed if it came with that, as well as onion, fennel seeds, and sea salt. Sauté the onion until softened, and the sausage should get nice and brown, and this will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Add baby kale and sauté until just wilted for about another minute. Add the sausage mixture into the bowl with the tofu scramble. Fold it in until well combined and set this aside, and then you can wipe out the pan, which you're going to use again to fry the taquitos. To assemble your taquitos, add a pinch of vegan cheese shreds to a tortilla. Then add 2 tablespoons of the tofu and vegan sausage mixture and top with another pinch of cheese. Roll up the taquitos tightly and place them seam side down onto a platter or baking sheet. Heat up your nonstick pan over low to medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in an even layer. Now, depending on the size of your nonstick pan, you can fry 3 or 4 taquitos at a time, seam side down, for about 3 to 4 minutes. Flip them and lightly fry the other side for about another minute. If you're eating these right away, plate them up, garnish with cilantro or some green onion, and you can serve some salsa on the side for dipping. To freeze your taquitos, individually wrap up your cool taquitos in parchment paper and twist the ends like this so they stick out like a large candy wrapper or a Christmas cracker. Place in the freezer until you're ready to eat them, and you can warm up frozen taquitos in the microwave for about 45 seconds, unwrap them, and enjoy. Yummy! Okay, you gotta love a good breakfast taquito that you can just throw in your microwave and take to go. We've got one more back-to-school breakfast idea coming your way next week, but in the meantime, go to hotforfoodblogshop.com and check out my big summer sale on all of the merch. You can buy 1 item and get the second item 30% off. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.